Hello students, welcome back to English Learning. I'm Ansuya Sharma, your English teacher of Venus Public School. So students, how are you all? And today we are going to start our literature part, and today we are going to learn a new poem. So students, as we have completed our syllabus of grammar section portion, so now let us start a new poem, and the first poem that we are going to start is The Road Not Taken. It's a very interesting poem, and it's a poem related to our life, like how in our life we have to choose a particular road. Many roads we cannot travel at once. We need a particular time is needed to travel a particular road. Okay, so this poem is written by Robert Frost. Okay students, so let us see the first introduction. This well-known poem is about making choices and choices that shape us. Robert Frost is an American poet who writes simply but insightfully about common, ordinary experiences. So now student, what do you mean by the choice which shape us? It means the choice, a very important choice or very important decision which we have to make related to our profession, very strong decisions, big decisions which we have to take. That decision will shape our life. The decision about our studies, the decision about our professions, what professions we need to choose in our life. So same way here we cannot go for two roads, one choice of your parents and other of yours. Can you choose two professions? No. So students, here in this poem, the poet talks about two roads in this poem. The two roads are alternative ways of life, students. Frost want to tell us that the choice we make in our life have a far-reaching results. Okay, so whatever decisions we take today, okay, about our career, about our studies, okay, it will give you long impacts in your life. If you don't study today properly, what you can be in your life, what career can you choose? So this point, if you don't work hard today, when you will grow up and when you will be going out for your earning, so there you will come to know that it was your biggest mistake of your life that you did not take your studies very seriously. So same way it gives you a lifelong impact. Okay, so now here the poet wants to tell us that whatever we do today is going to have a lifelong effects on you. The poem presents a dilemma in every man's faces in his life. Okay, dilemma means our consequences, like such conditions will arise in your life that you will feel guilty about what you did now. Okay, why I did not study before, I should have listened to my parents, today I would be something, I would have done something good in my life. So like this there will be lots of problems which you are going to face if you don't choose the correct road. Okay, the road is the decisions which you take in your life. Okay, so the now here one, a folk means a story. Vanaphok means it's a story. Yellow wood, okay, yellow wood is a season of autumn season it is, okay, where all leaves are shaded from the trees. You all know this. So the poet comes to start debating over his choice. When we have to do one choice, we are going to talk with ourselves, yes or no? We keep on talking to ourselves. What should I do? If, okay, for example, if your parents tell you what gift you want, so you are going to keep on talking to yourself. You will keep on saying, should I buy a bicycle, or should I go for a tablet? Should I take a iPhone? Like this. So that point of time you keep on discussing many things in your mind. So same way here, the poet is also very confused, and to take that right decision here, he is talking to himself. Okay. So, and be one traveler. Long I stood. He stood there at the point where the road was going to diverge. He stood there, and for a long time he was just thinking, which road should I take? And be one traveler, long I stood, and looked down as far as I could. When we have to take choices, we just think. If you would have taken any one road, even you would have seen which is shortcut and which is long cut. Yes, today's children, they just go for long cut and shortcut. They will just see which is shortcut and they will grab that road. Okay. So same way, now here he was just, now this poet is very fond of going to new places. So the first road was travelled by many peoples. He could see that many people had walked on that road. Okay, it was autumn season and the leaves had shaded. So when people walk on leaves, the road is, the path becomes very dusty type. Okay, so he could see that many people have travelled from that road, but he bent in the undergrowth and he was trying to see that which path is not untravelled. Then took the other just as fair. Means he thought that ungrowth means thickly populated with plants and bushes, the meaning of undergrowth. Okay, it was thickly populated with plants and bushes. Then he just took the other road. That road, why did he took the other road? He took that road because it was less travelled. Less people had travelled on that road. So now the poet is very fond of doing some mysterious things. He wanted to just see which mysterious things means which no one have done. Very different choices he is having. Okay, so he went to that path and he was feeling sorry for not traveling the other one also. But he was thinking, when I will be coming back or next time when I travel, I will take the other road. And having, now second para, then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim. Means now he was satisfied of taking the other road because it was grassy and wanted wear. Means it was not, people had not walked on that road. It was less travelled. Though as far that the passing there had warned them really about the same. Means, which meant that hardly anyone had walked on it. The poet is tempted to walk on it. Okay, so I hope students you may have understood this two para very nicely. Just read the poem once or twice and the remaining part will be continued tomorrow. Thank you.